Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can speed up your computer and solve its slow speed issues. If you are experiencing speed problems with your computer, this video is for you. Let's get started. Upgrade your computer's RAM. The first step is to increase your computer's RAM. More RAM improves your computer's performance and make it run faster. You can purchase an additional RAM chip and install it in your computer. Keep your system updated. It's essential to regularly update your operating system. New updates bring security improvements and performance enhancements that make your computer faster and more secure. Maximizing disk space. Ensure your computer has sufficient disk space. If your hard drive is full, your computer may slow down. Delete old and unnecessary files to free up disk space. Reduce startup items. Sometimes programs that run automatically at startup can slow down your computer. By disabling such programs, you can improve your computer's startup speed. Keep your computer free from malware. Regularly scan your computer for malware and viruses. Malware and viruses can slow down your computer and compromise sensitive data. Install a reliable antivirus program and keep it updated. So friends, those were some tips to help you speed up your computer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.